we know the focal length of the concave mirror, that is 15 centimeter distance, 15 centimeters. So this is a radius of curvature 30 centimeters. Let us place the object at various distances, means object let us place the object at infinity distance, that is 100 centimeter distance. Next, let us place the object beyond center of curvature, that is 40 or 50 centimeters. Now again let us place the object at center of curvature, that means 30 centimeter distance. And next let us place the object between C and F. Again let us place the object at F. Again let us place the object between F and P and F. And observe the types of images and nature of the images. Let us place the object at 100 centimeter distance, that means object is placed at infinity distance from the concave mirror. Now observe the image, distance and nature of the image. See here, we are getting the sharp image. So object is placed at infinite distance and image distance is 15 centimeter distance. So that is equals to focal length of the concave mirror. Nature of the image is diminished image, inverted image and this is a real image. Now let us place the object beyond C. Beyond C. So center of curvature is 30 centimeter distance. Right, here we are getting, so here blurred image, here also we are getting blurred image, here we are getting the sharp image. When we place the object beyond C, we are getting the image between C and F, between C and F, and the nature of the image is diminished image, inverted image and real image. So let us place the object at C. Right, we are getting the image also at C. The object distance and image distance both are equal. The nature of the image is, the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. Inverted image and real image. Object is, let us place the object between C and F. Between C and F. Right. Here we are getting the sharp image. The position of the image is beyond C. The position of the image is beyond C. And inverted image, enlarged or magnified image, inverted image, and it is real image. Let us place the object at F. That means 15 centimeter distance. See, here. So the image distance is infinity. Image distance is infinity. Object distance is 15 centimeters. 15 centimeters. Image distance is infinity. So this is a enlarged or magnified image, inverted image, and it is real image. Now let us place the object between P and F. Between P and F. So in this case, we do not get the image on the screen. We are not getting the image on the screen. It's not image, this is a image of mirror. When we placed the object between P and F, we are getting the image behind the concave mirror. See the behind the concave mirror. So this is a enlarged or magnified image, erect image, and this we are not getting the image on the screen. We are getting the image behind the concave mirror. So it is a virtual image.